Hi all, welcome to my channel. My name is Nimish Bhatia and today we are going to talk about instructional designing. Now instructional designing is a very interesting topic because it talks about designing, developing and delivering the training. Now this does not end here. It also tells you how you can connect your training content to the business goals, because this is where a lot of trainers fail, a lot of coaches fail. This is where the companies feel that I've spent so much, I've spent millions, and this output of my organization has not increased, or the safety procedures that I wanted to improve have not improved. Now why does that happen, and how to avoid that is something which this particular training content is going to talk about. Hope you guys will find it very interesting, because this is not something which is just for trainers and coaches or teachers. It is also for every individual who heads a particular department, who has training department in their organization, but they know that the trainers are putting in a lot of effort, but the output is not coming. So this video and quite a few videos post this are going to talk about the same thing. So let's get started. Hope you guys find it very interesting. Broadly speaking, instructional designing is a three-step process, wherein the first one is the training need analysis, the second one is trainer intervention, and the third one is usage of evaluation. So let's have a look at all these three processes, or all these three steps rather, one by one. A training need analysis considers the skills, knowledge, emotional intelligence and behaviors that the people who work for an organization need and how to develop them effectively. Training need analysis is done at three different levels, wherein the first one is our organizational level. Now when you're doing it at an organizational level, first you understand what are the business goals, what are the objectives for doing this workshop. Once you have understood that, then we try to look at what knowledge, skill and behavior actually contribute towards those business goals, and then we go further. Second level is at the team level. Now if an organization has a certain objective behind doing a particular workshop or a business goal, right, then every department has to contribute to that. So every department would have their own deliverables. So then when we do this training need analysis at a team level or at a department level, we have to see which are the core competencies that the department needs to have in order to meet those business goals, and we'll also see which are the competencies that they already have and then at which level. After that, the third level at which the training need analysis is being done is basically at an individual level. This we do in terms of one-to-one meetings, wherein we understand that a particular individual in a team is at what level in terms of those competencies. Once we have done it at these three levels, to some extent we know where to start from, and what do we do next is something we're going to talk about on the next slide. In simple words, training need analysis is a six-step process. Sorry, six, yeah, okay, six-step process, wherein step one, you have to determine what is the business objective. Once you know that, it is very easy for you to work backwards and plan and design your entire content so that that particular objective is met. Step 2, determine the competencies which drive that desired outcome. So once you know what you have to achieve, then you have to figure out what can actually make you achieve that. Okay, so that's step 2. Step 3, identify out of those competencies what is trainable, because not everything is trainable. A lot of times people spend a lot of money trying to train people who are introverts for business development. Believe me, no matter how much you spend on training, it won't happen. A person has to be an extrovert person in order to survive in business development, in order to survive in sales. So that's not something which is trainable. Step 4, evaluate the existing staff competencies so that you know which are the competencies where there is more gap. You can do it through competency evaluations. There are a lot of evaluations, and I guess in future videos we are going to cover them as well. And there are a lot of tests and assessments also which are possible. Okay, then step 5 is determining the performance gaps. So once you know how much you need, then you evaluate how much you have, and then where's the gap. Okay, then you have to prioritize your training needs. So for example, if I have let's say 5 competencies, but 2 out of them I see there's not much of gap, people almost know them, so I know I have to prioritize the rest of the 3. So this is the 6-step process. Okay, still, if there are any doubts, queries, questions, my phone number, my email address, everything is in the channel description, so you can catch me from there, right? And let's move to the next topic on the next slide. I would like to re-emphasize once again that please subscribe to our channel and please press the bell icon. Also, you can share your comments, since these are the motivations that we have in order to make more and more videos which are helpful in some way or the other. I'm sure you guys are enjoying these videos, so please press the bell icon, leave your comments and subscribe to the channel. Take care.